Looking for the best cordless jig saw in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best cordless jig saw available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The Offidra brushless electric jig saw is a versatile and powerful cutting tool designed for both DIY users and professionals. Its brushless motor delivers efficient performance, longer lifespan, and reduced heat, making it reliable for extended use. The laser-assisted guide enhances cutting accuracy, especially for curves and detailed work. Compatible with Makita battery pins, it offers convenience for users with existing batteries. The tool handles wood, metal, and pipes with ease, thanks to its adjustable speed and sturdy build. Lightweight and ergonomic, it ensures comfortable handling. Overall, it's a practical, high-performance jigsaw that delivers precision, durability, and excellent value for money. Number 4. The EG3500 revolutions per minute cordless electric curved saw is a reliable and efficient tool for woodworking and DIY projects. Powered by a 750W motor, it delivers strong cutting performance with a speed of up to 3,500 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for precise curved and straight cuts. Designed for Makita 18V batteries, it offers cordless convenience and portability. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, while the adjustable speed control enhances accuracy on different materials. Its sturdy construction adds durability for long-term use. Ideal for cutting wood and light materials, this jigsaw is a practical choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking performance and convenience. Number 3. The Wunbin 1000W 45° brushless electric curved saw is a powerful and versatile cordless jig saw designed for both DIY users and professionals. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers efficient cutting with speeds up to around 3,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring smooth operation and longer tool life. Its adjustable 45° bevel cutting allows precise angled cuts, while multiple speed settings improve control across wood, metal, and pipes. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers excellent portability and convenience. The ergonomic design, low vibration, and LED work light enhance usability. Overall, it's a durable, accurate, and cost-effective cutting tool for various applications. Number 2. The brushless electric jig saw with quick blade adjustment is a handy and efficient tool for woodworking tasks. Its brushless motor ensures longer lifespan, better energy efficiency, and consistent performance. With 4 variable speed settings, it allows precise control for different cutting needs. The 65mm cutting capacity is suitable for wood and light materials, while cordless operation adds portability. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers convenience for existing users. Features like tool-less blade change and ergonomic grip enhance usability. Overall, it's a reliable, versatile, and user-friendly jigsaw for DIY and professional applications. Number 1. The Yeartop 7-speed brushless electric jigsaw is a compact and efficient cordless tool for light woodworking. Its brushless motor improves durability and energy efficiency, while 7 speed settings provide precise control for different cutting tasks. The 26mm stroke supports smooth curved cuts, and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries adds convenience. Overall, it's a portable, user-friendly jigsaw ideal for DIY projects and small workshop use.